Hey guys, it's me. I'm here. I'm back. Did anybody notice I was almost canceled? Canceled? What did I do? Who did I offend? The YouTube gods? The handbag gods? The handbag snobs? Did I eat Chick-fil-A in front of the wrong people? Did I drink too much pumpkin spice latte? Did I kill a cow in public and didn't know it? Or did I make some insecure people really upset? Well, hi guys, hey, I'm still here. Thank you so much to my audience who has supported me and my content. Because I make good content, I know that. Being in the public eye that I am comes with a little craziness. My channel got shut down for 13 days without a warning. What people don't know and what I didn't know is that YouTube can strike you down without a warning, and this is how it happened. I received a message in the afternoon that one of my videos, the video titled "Beware of These DHgate Sellers," was taken down for, I forget what, a copyright violation or something. And then 6 minutes later, my whole channel disappeared. I was devastated because I had always assumed you get 3 strikes. So I assumed that video was 1 strike and I had some time to fix the rest, but no, I did not. But I'm not going to let the haters win. So this was very confusing because there are so many channels that are purely DHgate reviews that are either up or that I've heard from other creators, this channel got a strike, but they're still continuing. So for my channel to get taken down with no explanation other than a third-party complaint, then if I were to click on a link to my video or try to look for it or Google myself, I was starting to disappear. Just like the movies where the CIA makes you disappear and wipes your identity, that's exactly how Google does it. So on my end, I was getting a third-party complaint, and I have no idea what that means because YouTube is so vague about it. So in writing my appeal, I didn't even know what I was appealing for because there was no information given. So anyways, I was gonna fight this because 90% of my channel is how to buy handbags. So after my initial shock, I started doing research right away about what was going on, got in touch with other YouTubers. I wanted to find out who else this had happened to. So I reached out to a couple of people, a couple of luxury YouTubers who had about the same audience that I did. I wanted to find patterns of stalkers and harassers. So there's definitely patterns, won't name any names here, of like, yeah, there are people who show up to every single video to say something nasty. Like, why? Can you just disappear after saying one nasty thing, but then you show up again because that's how much you love me? Thank you. You're probably watching this right now. And I know they're watching because as soon as I got my channel back up, 2 more videos came down. I'll get into that later. Anyways, and then I wanted to find out how I can get my channel back and back on track. So I already know like so many people on the internet just troll and take things personally as if I'm talking directly at you. And if you get so offended, it's honestly not my fault, not other YouTubers' fault. Just turn off the channel, go somewhere else, scroll along, and talk to BetterHelp.com. Not sponsored by them, but I highly recommend them. It's not like I'm spending your money. It's not like I'm forcing you to watch my videos. You have full permission to leave and go on living your miserable life. Fortunately, I have so many supporters here who I'd much rather focus on, and I thank you guys so much for being the wonderful subscribers and viewers that you are. I've learned so much from you and actually pleasantly surprised of all the support and everything that you've confided in me about handbags. So yes, my channel is about handbags. Do you know how shocked people are when I tell them that I almost got canceled and they're like, but you have a handbag channel? God forbid I talk about anything that really affects anyone's life seriously. I talk about handbags, but there's certain people who believe worshiping a corporation is good for them, and somehow my little YouTube channel is in the way. So when I did get my stuff together and file that appeal, my channel went back within hours with No violations, a little letter that said, oops, sometimes we make mistakes. No violations, okay? So just to protect myself, I took down that DHgate video. But like about 2 days later, 2 of my videos, the ones that were comparing fakes versus real, which by the way, like 100 other videos exist on that topic. So that's how I know I have a hater, just sitting there, just folding your arms and scrunching your face and just hating on me. I don't know why. I mean, maybe it's because I have such good hair. Anyways, apparently this person thinks I must have sacrificed a cow in public. As I was saying, there are other channels that have like hundreds of videos about comparisons and fake versus real and DHgate videos, like DHgate hauls. And if you don't like it from me or anyone else, just keep moving along. Okay, I see you. Mwah, let me give you attention because you need it. And just keep moving because I've got other people to entertain who appreciate me. Okay, so if this happens to you, and I hope this never happens to you, watch this video. I did exactly what these guys did. I like panicked and wrote an emotional appeal that didn't go anywhere. And I figured out that like the response from that was bots. And almost everything is done by AI. So I had to write an appeal that would appeal to the bots so I can get a human to reinstate my channel, which happened in a matter of hours once I was able to file that appeal. And like I said, it came back with no violations. Now, the silly thing, I said, this is a channel about handbags. I am not giving medical advice. I'm not giving financial advice. I'm not talking about politics. I'm not talking about COVID. Oops, was I not supposed to say that word? Now, here is another thing I found out, and I did research other YouTubers who had been stalked on their channel and had the same kind of issues, and issues even larger than mine, is that YouTube will let people complain about anything. There's even a category for misinformation, so you could dox someone for misinformation but not have to prove that you have a PhD, that you know the information. Is it just public opinion now? When does it get to borderline censorship? And of course, YouTube is controlled by Google, who is controlled by who pays for their media. So there's a lot of layers I think may be involved here. And without saying names, just speculation, it was brought to my attention that other luxury YouTubers are definitely 100% showing fake bags and saying they are real. Does my truth and my reporting somehow expose the nature of some of the channels out here? Please don't say any names in the comments. I just know a few things, but I'm not going to go into that. I just try to entertain and educate as much as I possibly can so you make your own decisions. I'm not reaching into your wallet to pull out your credit card to spend your money, just mine. Again, if you guys have been watching my channel, I appreciate so much because there are so many more wonderful and supportive viewers to outshine the like 1 or 2 little trolls out there. So thank you to my subscribers and thank you to the members of my channel who support even more. And if you've bought anything from any of my links, that helps me out so much. I hope you continue to show up for me. I appreciate you guys so much. Love you. Bye.